To begin threading your sewing machine, raise the thread pin. Once the thread pin is raised, attach the spool of thread and then gently lower the thread pin back into the sewing machine. Don't forget to attach the thread cap, as this will prevent the spool from coming off while you are sewing. The PFAFF machine has a series of arrows showing the sequence for the thread guides. Snap the thread into the first thread guide. Following the arrows, place the thread behind the second thread guide and then bring it toward the front of the sewing machine. The thread goes down through the right side guide and then back to the top of the machine through the left side guide. At the top of the machine should be the take-up lever. If it is not visible, turn the flywheel on the right side of the sewing machine in a counterclockwise direction. When the take-up lever has surfaced, place the thread through the loop and then down the front of the machine toward the needle. The PFAFF machine is equipped with an automatic needle threader. The manual has good illustrations of how to use this threader. Place the thread through the guide at the top of the needle and then under the loop on the left and then across the front of the needle to the two small hooks on either side of the sewing needle. Lower the automatic needle threader. Place the thread under the loop and across the front of the needle, remembering to go under the two small loops on either side of the needle. Raise the automatic threader and the thread has been pulled through the needle. Sometimes threading the needle is the trickiest part of threading a sewing machine. If it doesn't work the first time for you, simply repeat the process and try again. It will get easier with practice. Happy sewing!